Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss the ideas of Émile Benveniste. Introduction. Émile Benveniste, a prominent French linguist, made significant contributions to the field of linguistics by creatively combining historical linguistics with structuralism. Born in 1902, and active until his death in 1976, Benveniste extended the boundaries of linguistics into the realm of cultural theory, thus influencing a wide range of academic disciplines. This video explores Benveniste's major works, his key arguments, and his lasting impact on linguistics, semiotics, and psychoanalysis. Major works. The scholarly legacy of Benveniste is anchored in his two best-known works, Problems of General Linguistics 1966 and Indo-European Language and Society 1969. In Problems of General Linguistics, Benveniste tackles a variety of linguistic issues, providing deep insights into the structure and function of language. This work is celebrated for its broad and comprehensive approach to linguistic theory. In Indo-European Language and Society, Benveniste explores the intricate relationship between language and social structures within Indo-European cultures. This text underscores his belief that language cannot be fully understood without considering the social context in which it operates. The linguistic sign. One of Benveniste's most influential contributions to linguistic theory is his qualified disagreement with Ferdinand de Saussure's principle that the nature of the linguistic sign is arbitrary. While Saussure posited that there is no inherent connection between the signifier, a word, and the signified, the concept it represents, Benveniste argued that this view overlooks the critical role of the speaker in the use and evolution of language. By focusing on the speaker, Benveniste emphasized that language is not just a formal system of signs, but a dynamic and interactive process involving individuals and their social contexts. Impact on linguistic theory. Benveniste's resistance to treating language solely as a formal system marked a significant shift in linguistic theory. He believed that understanding language required acknowledging the role of the speaker and the context in which language is used. This perspective challenged the prevailing structuralist approach that viewed language as an abstract system of signs detached from its users. Benveniste's work highlighted the importance of considering the human element in linguistic studies, thus paving the way for more nuanced and context-sensitive approaches. Influence on Julia Kristeva. Benveniste's ideas had a profound impact on Julia Kristeva, a leading figure in semiotics and psychoanalysis. Kristeva's work in semiotics, which examines how meaning is constructed and communicated through signs, was significantly influenced by Benveniste's focus on the speaker and the social dimensions of language. Additionally, Benveniste's emphasis on the interplay between language and society helped Kristeva bridge the gap between linguistics and psychoanalysis, contributing to her revolutionary theories on the intersection of language, identity, and the unconscious mind. Conclusion. Émile Benveniste's innovative approach to linguistics and his integration of cultural theory have left a lasting legacy on the field. By challenging traditional views and emphasizing the role of the speaker, Benveniste expanded the scope of linguistic inquiry to include social and contextual factors. His influence on Julia Kristeva and other scholars underscores the enduring significance of his work. Benveniste's contributions continue to inspire and inform contemporary studies in linguistics, semiotics, and beyond. So this was the discussion on the ideas of Émile Benveniste. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.